The new version of Joinup has streamlined the creation of content. In this video, we will show you how to upload a news item, taking an example for the Open Source Observatory. In order to upload any content, you need to be a registered user and log in as such. Next, while in the Collections menu, click on the OSOR tile. Click on the orange button marked with a plus sign and select Add News. Now you can enter the headline for your news item, as well as a short and catchy kicker. You should choose your words carefully, as this text will be displayed as headline on the OSOR and Joinup front pages. Enter the body text of the article in the content field. You can use the editor to improve the layout or include an illustration. Select and add any complementary information and submit your article. Once your news item is published, you can share the article on social media or highlight it on other collections on the Joinup platform.